All right, moving on. Greg says, hey, I noticed that most of the top SEO gurus use Google Search Console, but the first thing that pops into my head, excuse me, is that if you put all your web assets into one location that is owned by Google, you're making it easy for them to hurt your business. For example, if they penalize one of your assets or something, it makes it very likely that they will check all of your assets to see if you have violations on those other assets as well. Or maybe they can see that you have a bunch of sites, including non-money authority boosting sites just for backlinks, and figure that they should check to see what you're doing. Is there anything at all to be worried about, or is it just being paranoid? No, you should worry about that. If you're doing anything spammy or you're building your own link networks and things like that, yeah, you don't want to use the same Search Console account, right? Use multiple Search Console accounts, spread them out across, don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread them out across multiple baskets, right? Baskets being different Google accounts, right? But also like link building sites and stuff like that, I don't typically recommend, if you're doing that kind of stuff, that you put them in the Search Console really anyway. I mean, you can, if you need to, just use different accounts. That's all I'm saying. But there's really no need to do that if you're just building sites for link building purposes and stuff. But just use multiple accounts. It's not hard to do. Just so you know, like all my Felling Pro sites, they're all in my Felling Pro workspace account. So, like, in fact, if we just go look at SEO Gets, I'll show you, because that's what I'm logged into with that right now. SEOgets.com. SEO Gets, not SET. At least I thought it was going to. How is this thing doing? Try that again. Ah, shit, I don't have it open here. Okay, never mind. I thought I was still signed in this browser. Anyway, I was going to show you how I've got all of my Felling Pro sites in one, because I'm not doing anything spammy with those sites. So I don't care. I don't care that Google has that I have all of these subdomain sites in one Search Console account, because I'm not doing anything spammy with them. So I don't think it's a problem if you're doing spammy stuff that is questionable, right? Or violating Google's acceptable use policy. Then yeah, spread them out across other Search Console sites if they even need to be added to Search Console. Okay. Remember, some sites for testing purposes or for link building purposes, things like that, don't need to be included anyway. All right, moving on.